Alright. Hello everyone, I am Draven, the Darkest Entity. And today, we're doing a very special arena quest. But first of all, I'd like to explain two things. Number one, sorry for the quality. It's the only way I can guarantee to get this entire quest in. And number two, if you hear some padding and rumbling in the background, it's partially storming. But anyway, now that we are here, I'd just like to say one thing to these guys here. Say hi to you too. What the fucking what? Well, shit! Ah, man. Just stay. Stay, please. This is already off to a bad start. Oh my god, please stay. No! Oh, fuck, it's down to us. Alright, we're gonna have to... This is my friend Dreezy here. Dreezy, you better say hi later. We're just gonna duo this. Let's fucking duo this. Shit. Let's... duo this. Maybe. God damn it. No. Fuck this guy. No way. No. That guy is 200 defense. No. Did I kick him? No. Mother fucking what? Has he entered yet? No. We're going. We're going in. Okay. Oh my god. This is already off to a bad start, but we need to start this. Are you ready? Come on. What are you doing? Please don't. What are you doing? No. Don't. What? What are you doing, man? No! What are you doing? What the hell? No! Okay, I'm just gonna put this here now. This may be a failing video, because this is already off to a terrible start. Terrible! Who the fuck is this guy? He's... Okay, that's really good for... Alright. This is... I'm just gonna put it out right now. This is to unlock the Hunter Art Rapid... Wait, what is it? Rapid Rainfire 3? Yeah, exactly. This guy has Rapid Fire Rain 2. I'm sorry, I messed up the order there. Yeah, good. This guy gets the idea. Or girl. Is it a girl? That's a girl. Yeah, that's definitely a girl. Also, is that the silver one? That's a silver one set. And that's pretty high for the gunner set. Alright, anyway, so... Alright. Oh, yes! I trust this bitch. She got a damn fine... talisman to have medium attack up. And then that loss... That's... Alright, come on. Dreezy, we doing this or not? Dreezy. Yes, do this. There's probably... No, I think I got rid of mine. That's why I'm typing this. As I said, I need to literally have this at lower quality, get the whole thing in. We got this, man. We can do it. We can fucking do it. Oh, man. Everyone have cleansers? Everyone... motherfucking goddamn it, I should really do a cap. No, I was gonna say, that's a really... that seems like a really good, really good motherfucker. Whatever. Alright, come on. Come on, it's now or never. It's now or never. It's now or never, people. Come on. Come on, let's do this. We gotta do this. Now or never. Come on, Dreezy. 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 You better be getting your items ready, you son of a... What? No one wants to try... What? No one wants to try this quest? Fucking... No! No! Obviously that guy has G-Rank friends that help him out. No fucking way. Get him out of here. Terrible. No one wants to try... Alright. 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 Let's go. Let's go. It's now or never. Okay. This is I believe I didn't explain even what the quest is. I'm pretty sure first Togambi, second Blagongo, third Zamtrios, and fourth Gamudo. Or Gemoth, whatever you want to call him. I call him the original name. Alright. 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 Okay. I'm a bit nervous if you can't fucking tell. Oh man. I got two bowgunners. I can't remember what she is. Light or no, she's got the lost musket. She's a light bowgun. I'm not going in alone. Come on, you fucks. You want the ammo. Alright, come on. So I got a light bowgunner, a heavy bowgunner, and me myself as a charge blade. Good. Let's just get this thing started. This is all high rank, by the way. HR 7. Oh, man. Oh, man. Man, I really hope the rain doesn't take out my internet. That's one thing I'm, like, really worried about. How do you like that? How do you like that frickin' guard point, huh? Does that feel good to you? I imagine that couldn't have felt good. Ah, crap. Bad timing. Bad timing. Here's the alright. Oh, you can take a little hit. Good. Oh, man. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Get off my friend, bitch! Frick you. This is the best attacking weapon that I have. The 180 attack power Deviant Rathalos Charge Blade. I think it's up to like level 4. Though it's still on green sharpness. Ah, totally worth it. I don't think so. Frick. Ah! You almost killed me. And again, I almost killed you. Ah, fuck. This is just a Lagambi. I should probably stay out of this guy's way. Watch it, guys. Watch it. Oh, man. My hands are already starting to sweat. I'm just so nervous about what's to come. I really hope we don't fail this. I feel like with enough determination, we got this. If this Lagambi would stop fucking moving. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Oh. Fuck you. Fuck you. Ah. Alright, broke the ears. That's what I like to think of as the halfway point. Ah. Alright, let me charge that up. Boo, boo, boo. Explosion first. More hits. Oh, damn. Nice shot with that supernova, Dreezy. Holy shit. Nice. Oh, watch it, watch it. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, you missed that rapid rain, though. Oh. I don't know why I did that. Watch it, Dreezy. Alright, you're good. Die. Die. Fucking die. Die. Die, you piece of fucking shit. Come on! Get over here. Watch it. Okay. I want to keep this up for the adept style. Yep. For the adept dodges. Boo. Boo. Die. 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 Watch it, Dreezy. Watch it. He's just dashing now. Nope. Ah, shit. And yet I still got the transformation out. Shit, wrong way. Nope. Sorry if I hate you, Dreezy. Die! Stupid fucking bunny. Die! Die! Has anyone gotten the mount yet? I'm gonna get the mount. Maybe not. Maybe not if he does this. Yep, he's doing this. Being a dick. Yep. Got the mount. Nope, no mount. Ah, fuck. What are you doing? You gotta do another dash? You gotta do another dash? You gotta do another dash? Mount! Oh, but a nice attack though. Damn it, I keep... Oh shit. Alright. The trick is to get a good seat. There we go. Nice work. Nice work. Nice work so far. Nice work. That was just round one. That was just round one. A fucking Wagambi was round one. Oh man. Ah. Frick. Should have brought honey to make these first aid meds pluses. My left hand's already fucking freezing because I can't put my goddamn fan in the window because it's fucking rainy outside. It figures. I'm gonna just do this on now. Oh my god, my hands are gonna be so sweaty by the end of this. Again, that shit ready? Good strategy. I have no idea where he spawns, so I'm just gonna hope for the best. This is Bowgun, right? What we got? Yeah, Bowgun's next. Zamtrius is gonna be living hell. Let's just keep everything up and get ready for the monkey. You know, if he's anything with, like Rajang, he'll appear right here. Oh, no way. He's way over there. Yep. Yep. Fuck. No perfect guard. Alright, alright, alright. Watch it. So far, so good. And that's just so far. Alright, come on, come on, come on. That could have gone bad. Do be careful. Do be careful. Frick. Oh man. Okay, 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 okay. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Don't do it yet. SOP. Woo. Frick. Bam. Bam. Ow. Frick. I sense. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Nope, not close enough. Hang on. Let me, do I have a small amount of time? Come on, come on, come on. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. People, over here. Oh, shit. Why is he only targeting them? I still don't understand how the monsters target. Punch it. Haha! Perfect guard your ass. Oh, no. Oh shit, Dreezy, you are. Oh my god. Oh my god. I put this thing right here for you fucks. Dreezy, don't die. Come on, Dreezy. Come on, Dreezy. You got this. You're fine. Oh shit. Run. Put the weapon away and... Okay, it was me anyway. Ow! Alright, come on, come on, come on. We got this. God, if we just get halfway though, I'll feel better. Dreezy, have you not seen the Hunter Oasis yet, man? This thing here means hell. Fuck you. Fuck you. What? No idea what happened there. Was that him or one of the bowgunners using a very strong... Oh my god, Dreezy, you gotta get it together, man. Fuck you. Fuck you. Yeah, she's alright. Is that Sal? I just noticed. Oh, okay, I'm fine. Shit, I'm fine. I got insurance, guys. Do not fear. I do have insurance. So we can take one death. We can take one death. Oh, fuck. Retarget. Take a fucking hit. Ah, fuck. That was silly. That's... I don't know how that's pronounced. I want to say silly. That's a really... Give me a mount. Oh, you're using Crag. No wonder you're getting close. Or Cluster. Which one? No, I think it's Crag. Mount. Oh, man. Okay, good. Good job. Really nice to get that mount. Really nice. Mount? Nope. Fuck. Give me the mount. Frick! Give me that. Love the perfect guards. Shit. Good. Yes, got him out. No. Bad. Stay down. Go, guys, go. Get him. Alright, go. Unleash all of your power on him. Nice. Okay. Okay. He's gotta be near death. Oh, okay. You guys are both... Ooh, is that a death? Oh, the magic pixel! Heal, bitch! Heal! Heal! She got the magic pixel! Ooh! Oh, shit. We're in trouble again. Ah! Fuck. I don't want to use another life powder so early. I can take a few hits. Oh, fuck. Wait, what? Okay. I have cleansers. Heal! I thought that just gave me a... Good. You can take a hit. Oh. I don't know what kind of ammo that is, but it looks good. Oh, fuck. Okay. Did not hit Dreezy. Help! Good. Alright, halfway there. Okay. I just don't want to overuse nice work. But holy shit. Still no faints. Got insurance anyway. Doing good. Remember, everyone, this is how you fucking unlock Rapid Fire Rain level 3. God damn, this is hell. Like, this is already becoming trouble. I'm gonna say fucking... Okay, hang on. I'm gonna say two things. Sharpen, and I'm gonna say get the things on the ground. Okay. Oh, good. Okay. You know where the next thing's gonna spawn? I hope you do. Where's the, wait. I like to keep my stuff organized. Okay. Just have to switch the first aid med and the first aid med plus. Alright, let's go. Damn it, I was hoping to get the Adept Evade. Come on, you bitch! Just go all out on your ass right away. Ha! You shut your mouth. Thank you. Can't take another one of those. Had to get something out of my face. Damn hair. Too long. Gonna get cut at some point. Broke the tail. Still doing good. Oh, wait. No. You're fine. I told you to bring cleansers. You're lucky I could stall him. Oh, wait. Fuck. 180 attack power, bitch. One with a good 30 of fire, I think. Damn. Get dunked on, Zamtrios. Alright. Ah, piss. I thought I wasn't close enough for that. No. Bad Zamtrios. Ah. Boo. No. No. Okay. Doing better against Zamtrios than we did against Bagongo and Mugambi so far. Okay, good. He didn't even do a dash. Oh, thank you. Thank you for staggering him. Okay, this is a really bad example. Don't gather when you're in the middle of a monster hunt, but I was curious about that shiny. I was really curious. Down, shark, down. Frick! Didn't get the fucking Adept Evade again. And I'm down a sharpness. Holy shit, nice shot. Alright, stall him. Stall him for a few. Just stall him. Okay. Oh shit, damn! He dead already. Holy shit. Dreezy, calm down, he's dead! Holy shit. Nice fucking work. Holy shit, that's a praise. Very nice work, you two. Very nice. Holy shit, that was a nice one. Alright, I think you both know what's next, though. This is the big one. Okay. Let's just keep this up. Wherever he spawns, I'm just gonna say... I don't know where he is gonna spawn. No idea where Gamuto's gonna spawn. But I'm gonna say, let's just put the Hunter's Oasis over here. Again, I apologize for the terrible quality. Terrible. Oh, man. I just... Put that there. You two begin. I shall go. Didn't lock on yet. Oh, his theme... No, I thought his theme was beginning to play over the arena theme. Whoa, wait, what? He just causes a blizzard anywhere he goes? Am I seeing that right? Oh, no, almost. Fucking die. Damn it, no perfect guard. Ah. Ooh. Ooh, what? Oh, he's doing the thing. He's doing the giant snowball attack. Oh. Wait. No. Okay. What's he doing? Oh, I haven't seen that one. I have not fought a high-rank Amuda yet. Oh, shit. Ah, piss. That hurt. I'm fine. Let's just keep that health up. I have no idea what this guy's been through in high rank. Come on, we got this. I swear to God, if this actually finishes before the little time I had left on HD quality, I will be pissed. Are you two hanging on so far? Hope you are. Haha! It did work. Haha! Okay. Okay, silly, you alright? Maybe it's Killy. Maybe it's Kylie. I have no idea how to pronounce that name. It honestly just looks like another version of silly to me. Sorry guys, just taking this little time to charge. Either of you two want to mount him, you know, that's alright. I don't know why I always have to be the one to mount. Gunners can mount too. Oh shit, that worked. Dodge! Ah! Frick. You guys are using like the clusters, or at least she is. Where's Treasy? He's using his hunter art. He must have, like... How the hell is he using his hunter art so often? I have honestly no idea. Aha, got the tail. Fucking damn it. You prick. Ah. Okay, that works too. Just had to try and help. Damn, ow! Sorry. Okay. Dear God, I still can't believe how massive he is. My camera's just turned up to him more than half the time. Shut the hell up. Almost broke a foot of yours. Bitch. Oh, shit! That's a one-hit KO? Holy fuck! I didn't think... Holy shit! That's why I have insurance! Oh my god! He just fucking one-hit KO'd me! So that's what he's got up his sleeve. Hang on, guys. Just give me a moment here. To just analyze. What the fuck? That was a straight up one-hit KO. Was that all my health? I'm about to go back and review the footage for that one. I'm pretty sure that took all of my health. Granted, I didn't have the absolute max. By the way, nice comeback. But damn. That hurt. And I was blocking. Did I not block right? That could be the case. Or it was an unblockable move. Holy shit. I'm gonna hit your butt. How do you like that? Keep hitting your butt. Yeah. Dreezy, I wouldn't be so close. Did you not just witness what the hell happened to me? Oh shit. Wrong button. Sorry guys, just 1 second again. Holy fuck. Look at that. Bam, bam, bam. And there's no reason to put down Hunter's Oasis. Ah, there we go! I was just about to say there's no reason to put down Hunter's Oasis, because, well, he takes so much health in a chunk, it doesn't matter. And it literally doesn't matter, because he's fucking dead! Holy shit! Oh, there's... Can I get 2 red furs? There's 1. I need like 4 red furs for something I have 2. There's the second one. Perfect. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. That was awesome. Nice. Oh shit, wait. That's all I meant to say. I meant to say nice work. Nice work. Nice work. Peace out. Nice. Holy fucking shit. Oh my god, that was awesome. That was just awesome. And that is how you get Rapid Fire Rain level 3, hopefully. I'll try to guarantee it for you here in a sec. Also, hang on. Holy shit, nice awards. Is that... Ah, damn it. I want Accolade G. I know those are like really high, but for now I want just 1 Accolade G for the Cat's Curse Greatsword. Let's see what we got here. Nothing much. That's not the Deadeye I'm looking for. I'll keep it in mind. I need multiple of those, and I don't need more than 1 shooting star. Oh, fuck. 23. Oh, man, see, if I just started from the quest, I could have recorded this all in HD. Ah, damn it. Oh, okay. Longest book on go yet. Shortest Zamtrios, I'll believe it, because we dunked it. There it is! Okay, there's your proof. That's how to get Rapid Fire Rain 3. Holy fuck! That was tense. All the way through, that was tense, and I feel very lucky my internet didn't cut out. And the ring stopped just in time. Holy shit, everything turned out okay, and everyone turned out alright in the end. Holy fuck. Well, I think I'm gonna continue hunting here now since I just got my friend's attention. It's been a few weeks. I've been on vacation, and I just haven't seen him in a while. But for now, that's enough for me here. And to you all, I say, I am Draven, the darkest entity. And so on for now.